Did you know The Sound of the Mountains explores deep psychological themes? The protagonist, Shingo, faces memory loss and fears of aging and death. His confusion symbolizes a deep fear of mortality, reflecting his inner turmoil. The news of fallen comrades reveals the psychological scars of the war generation. Kitamoto's panic illustrates the mental collapse faced by many after the war. Nature's sounds in the novel resonate with Shingo's psychological state. The imagery of ginkgo trees symbolizes transience and rebirth in family ties. The novel reflects generational conflict and the breakdown of family ethics. Written between 1949 and 1954, it marks a shift in Japan's age calculation. The Sound of the Mountains is a profound cultural record of post-war Japan.